Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Crunchyroll something went wrong. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing problem with your Crunchyroll application that says something went wrong and you are not able to fix it, follow me and you will be able to fix your issue. So first, if you are using outdated Crunchyroll application, you might face some problem with your application. Now to update your Crunchyroll application to its latest version, go to Play Store on your mobile device and search for Crunchyroll on the search bar. And in this page, if you see update button instead of open, that means that your application needs to be updated to its latest version. Just tap on this update button instead of open in this place and you'll be able to download the update files. But if you don't see any update button instead of open like I am saying, that means that your application is already updated to its latest version. And now follow me to the next step. Now what we are going to do is simply clear cache files on our phone of Crunchyroll application. So to do that, go to settings section on your mobile device. So right now I'm on settings section on my phone. Now tap on the option that says apps and notifications and you can search for Crunchyroll on the search icon, which is around at the top right side. Now type on Crunchyroll and tap on Crunchyroll and you will be taken to app information section of Crunchyroll. Now tap on the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the temporary files on your Crunchyroll application, which will clear up space for your Crunchyroll application to run smoothly. So even after doing these two steps, if you are not able to fix something went wrong on your Crunchyroll application, what you can do is simply uninstall your Crunchyroll application on your mobile device and reinstall it, and doing this step fixes so many problems and bugs on your application. And also try to restart your device, and sometimes restarting your device fixes so many problems with your mobile device. So after doing all these steps, I hope that you will be able to fix something went wrong on your Crunchyroll. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.